Hey guys, I thought I would do a quick video on a big problem I see, not just in our industry, but just in general. I help folks with our website where, sometimes I'm actually speaking to other heating and air companies across the country. And one thing that's been amazing to me is how low some of the phone etiquette skills are. No wonder some of these companies have to hire call centers and things like that to answer their phones. I was in my own office a couple weeks ago when the girl at our office that answers all of our calls, she took a phone call and they asked for me and I was tied up. And so she just said, Josh isn't available at the moment. And so they hung up on her. The thing is there any repercussions for being that unkind? No. I mean, we didn't even know who they were. Maybe they might see this video. But it's just amazing to me as we go through this that I remember folks talking about how high schools and even some colleges, they don't talk about some of the life skills that kids need to have when they become an adult. For example, some kids are graduating high school and they've never been taught how to write a check, right? And maybe that's a thing in the past. Checkbooks aren't quite what they used to be. They're never taught how to, do the ledger and keep track of their bills. Or another big one is they're never taught how to properly go to a job interview, how to properly do a resume, and things like that. And I think phone etiquette is another one of them. That as I navigate through this and help people, the fact that you should say, have a good day, goodbye, when you're getting off the phone. I'll have literally companies that are in business now I don't blame the company, at least not 100%. I blame the person that is working for that company mostly. It's not the fault of the company that they hired a moron, 100%. But, if you're done speaking to someone on the phone, you don't just hang up. You say, hey, I'm going to let you go. I'm going to go back to what I was working on, or hey, have a good day. I'm going to get off this phone, or whatever it is you say to end that conversation. And then you say goodbye. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Letting them know the conversation is now over on your end. It's just amazing to me, the phone etiquette, the skills of just having a simple conversation on the phone. Maybe that's because of the whole generational thing. Maybe this group of folks, this generation, they're more on the texting side of things, the emailing, the instant messaging, and there is no phone etiquette. They never have to learn it. They're able to do things. I know there are heating and air companies that have the ability to text with their customers. We have that as well, but we usually try to at least have a conversation with someone on the other end just to make sure they're not some sort of scammer or something, and get their information and stuff like that. Looks like my camera cut off there, but I will wrap up with this. Do you think I'm off base? Do you think that, I'm just an old timer that's worried about a skill that no longer matters? Or do you agree with me? Do you feel like that, folks should be at least have a little better etiquette when they're having conversations on the phone? I'd love to hear about that. Please comment down below. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.